Unit 11 Goencho Saib. New words with its meanings and formation of sentences. Castle, a large strong building built in the past by a ruler. Sentence, we visited a castle yesterday. Scholar, a learned man. Sentence, Dr. Miles was a great scholar. Homage, deep respect. Sentence, people from all walks come to pay homage to the saint. Compassion, it is to recognize the sufferings of others and then take action to help. Sentence, I was hoping she might show a little compassion. Voyage, a long journey, especially by ship. Sentence, he was a young sailor on his first sea voyage. Mortal, not living forever. Sentence, all living things are mortal. Exposition, things kept for public display. Sentence, the last exposition of St. Francis Xavier was held in the year 2004. Veneration, very much respect for a person or a thing. Gandhi, sentence, Gandhiji became an object of widespread veneration.